Welcome to our exploration of biotechnology and environmental science. Biotechnology, at its core, is the use of living organisms or their systems to develop products and processes that help solve environmental challenges. In recent years, this field has become increasingly important as we seek sustainable ways to address pollution, waste management, and ecosystem restoration. Today, we'll journey through the many ways biotechnology is transforming our relationship with the environment, offering innovative solutions that are both effective and eco-friendly. Environmental biotechnology is a specialized branch of biotechnology focused on using biological processes for environmental protection and restoration. It involves harnessing microbes, plants, and enzymes to clean up contaminated sites, reduce waste, and promote sustainable practices. By integrating biology with technology, environmental biotechnology offers practical tools for tackling some of the most pressing ecological issues, from soil pollution to water purification. One of the most well-known applications of biotechnology in environmental science is bioremediation. This process uses living organisms such as bacteria and fungi to break down pollutants in soil, water, and air. Bioremediation is especially useful for cleaning up oil spills, heavy metals, and toxic chemicals, offering a natural and cost-effective alternative to traditional methods. By leveraging the power of nature, bioremediation helps restore ecosystems and protect human health. Microbes play a crucial role in environmental biotechnology. Certain bacteria and fungi possess unique abilities to degrade hazardous substances, making them invaluable for cleaning up contaminated environments. For example, some microbes can metabolize oil, pesticides, or industrial waste, transforming harmful compounds into harmless byproducts. This microbial power is harnessed in bioreactors and field applications, providing targeted and efficient solutions for environmental restoration. Bioremediation is another biotechnology technique that uses plants to clean up polluted environments. Certain plants can absorb, accumulate, or detoxify contaminants from soil and water. This method is particularly effective for heavy metals and organic pollutants. Bioremediation is not only environmentally friendly but also visually appealing, as it often involves planting greenery in affected areas, contributing to landscape restoration. Biotechnology has revolutionized waste management by introducing biological treatment methods. These include composting, anaerobic digestion, and biofilters, which use microbes to break down organic waste and reduce landfill burden. Such innovations not only minimize environmental impact but also produce valuable byproducts like biogas and compost, supporting circular economy principles. Biotechnology is widely used in water purification, employing microbes and enzymes to remove contaminants from drinking water and wastewater. Biofilters and bioreactors are common tools, providing efficient and sustainable solutions for water treatment. These techniques help ensure safe water supplies and protect aquatic ecosystems from pollution. Biotechnology also addresses air pollution through biofilters and bioreactors that capture and degrade airborne contaminants. Microbes are used to break down volatile organic compounds and other pollutants, improving air quality in industrial and urban settings. These biological solutions are increasingly adopted for their effectiveness and sustainability. Genetic engineering is a powerful tool in environmental biotechnology. Scientists modify organisms to enhance their ability to degrade pollutants or survive in harsh conditions. For example, genetically engineered bacteria can break down plastics or toxic chemicals more efficiently. This approach opens new possibilities for tackling complex environmental challenges. Biotechnology contributes to renewable energy through bioenergy production. Microbes and plants are used to generate biofuels like ethanol, biodiesel, and biogas from organic waste. This process not only reduces reliance on fossil fuels but also helps manage agricultural and industrial waste, promoting sustainability. Biotechnology enables the creation of eco-friendly materials, such as biodegradable plastics and bio-based packaging. These materials are produced using renewable resources and engineered microbes, offering alternatives to traditional plastics that persist in the environment. The adoption of bio-based materials supports waste reduction and environmental protection. Biotechnology plays a vital role in ecosystem restoration. Microbes and plants are used to rehabilitate degraded landscapes, re-establish native vegetation, and improve soil health. These biological interventions help restore biodiversity and ecosystem functions, supporting long-term environmental resilience. Biotechnology provides advanced tools for monitoring environmental health. Biosensors, genetically engineered organisms, and molecular techniques are used to detect pollutants, track ecosystem changes, and assess restoration progress. These technologies enable precise and timely interventions, ensuring effective environmental management. Biotechnology supports sustainable agriculture by developing biofertilizers, biopesticides, and genetically modified crops. These innovations reduce chemical inputs, enhance soil fertility, and promote crop resilience. Sustainable agriculture practices help protect the environment while ensuring food security for growing populations. Biotechnology offers solutions for controlling industrial pollution. Microbes and enzymes are used to treat effluents, degrade hazardous chemicals, and reduce emissions. These biological methods are more sustainable and cost-effective than conventional approaches, helping industries minimize their environmental footprint. Despite its many benefits, biotechnology and environmental science faces challenges and limitations. These include regulatory hurdles, public acceptance, and technical constraints. Ensuring safety, effectiveness, and ethical use of biotechnological solutions is essential for their widespread adoption and success. Future of biotechnology and environmental science is promising. Ongoing research and innovation are expanding the range of applications, from advanced bioremediation techniques to synthetic biology. As technology evolves, biotechnology will play an increasingly important role in creating sustainable solutions for environmental challenges. Biotechnology is making a global impact in environmental science. Countries around the world are adopting biotechnological approaches to address pollution, conserve resources, and restore ecosystems. International collaboration and knowledge sharing are accelerating progress and ensuring that solutions are accessible to all. Community engagement is vital for the success of environmental biotechnology projects. Involving local stakeholders, raising awareness, and providing education help ensure that biotechnological solutions are accepted and maintained. Community-driven initiatives foster stewardship and long-term sustainability. Numerous case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of biotechnology in environmental science. From cleaning up oil spills to restoring contaminated land, these real-world examples showcase the practical benefits and potential of biotechnological solutions. Learning from successful projects helps guide future efforts and inspire innovation. Conclusion: biotechnology is a powerful ally in environmental science, offering innovative and sustainable solutions for pollution control, waste management, and ecosystem restoration. As research advances and adoption grows, biotechnology will continue to shape a healthier, more resilient planet. By embracing these technologies, we can work towards a future where environmental challenges are met with creativity and care.